Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to be back and excited about this video that I'm going to share with you all today. Today I am cleaning and decorating, refreshing my master bedroom for summer. That's right, I use that word summer because it is upon us. And we want to get all this stuff done before the kids are out of school. You don't want to be rushing around trying to clean and decorate. You want to have fun. So let's get ready for summer. Come on in and let's get started. So friends, I know you're saying, Clarissa, you don't have kids in the house. I do not, but I do have a grandson that likes to spend lots of time over here. So I'm looking forward to that this year if he doesn't go away for the summer. Fingers crossed, I'll have him for a little while. But this video, I am going to be doing DIYs. As you can see here, I am refreshing my lingerie drawer or cabinet and with some paint, and I am also going to refresh my vanity once again, and I'm also going to refresh the storage box that holds my hair supplies. So all of that's going to be going on, as well as I don't think I have it on film, but I have cleaned my blinds and I'm changing curtains. I've washed windows, so we're getting it all done today for this particular room. So let's get started and have some fun. Hey, let me know, what are you doing to get ready for the summer? Are you preparing already, or are you still in spring mode? Let me know in the comments below. Another question, friends, do you have big plans for the summer? Summer is not my favorite season. I prefer winter. It's just where I am, it's just so hot and humid, but it's always fun to look forward to. And even if you're not a summer girl like me, you do still enjoy I don't know, it's just so laid back because, you know, people aren't rushing to getting kids off to school. The school buses aren't on the highway. People are planning their vacations. So what do you have planned for the summer? I do know that, I don't know if we'll go back to the beach. We were just there. We prefer going off season, but we'll go to the mountains because I prefer that atmosphere during the summer. And then summer, when it's really, really hot out, I'm the opposite of what I'm telling you to do. That's when I like to be inside doing projects. But tell me, what about you? What do you like to do during the summer besides sit by the pool? I know lots of people like to I don't know, spend a lot of time outside, but if it's really, really hot, I don't really want to be out there. It's not like I need a tan or anything, so I will go and sit in the pool, sit by the pool in the shade, so that my grandson can get in the pool. But let me know, what do you enjoy most about it just being summer, that season for you? What does it mean? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, do you see, I am finally working on this little storage box. I love these little things. They you can stack them and they can look pretty, and they can help you with storage as well. And this is one of the ways, here is a little tidbit, to live large in small spaces. Pretty storage. But I'm going to do something real fun with this one today. I'm also going to add a transfer. And I think this is the first time that I've shared that with you guys. I've been trying them out, and they work really, really well. Well, some work better than others, and I'm going to put a transfer on this later on in the video that you'll see. If you're not using those, give them a shot. I started out buying the ones from Dollar Tree just to see if I would like them, because I just wasn't sure. And I use them all the time in my journal, and it just makes my journal a happy place. So if you're into that kind of thing, transfers are the new thing. I absolutely love them. And if you look behind on the back of this that I haven't gotten to yet, excuse me, of this storage box, you'll see where it's yellowing. And this is why I'm refreshing everything. See the arrow there? Yeah, because things, you know, after a while, no matter how clean you keep your house or whatever, because there are hair supplies, and because I sit here and do makeup, I mop my floor because it gets dusty. So I'm sure that this gets the same way. So you see that little yellow spot? That was kind of all over it. So that's why the refresh. And of course, that's why I refresh the vanity. I know I could buy a new one, but why should I buy a new vanity when I can have painting like this? Not walls. I'm really terrible at painting walls. But painting furniture and things like this really, really relaxes me. it's kind of like playing in the dirt when I'm repotting my flowers. It's relaxing to me. So I really, really enjoyed this. So yeah, I refresh until I can't refresh anymore before I purchase something else, unless I see something that I just can't live without. I figure, why waste money, especially in today's economy? You know what I'm saying? And there's nothing wrong with the box except it needed a new coat of paint, and so that's what it got. Tell me how you feel about it. Do you change out your furniture and things very often, or do you refresh, or how do you work it out with your budget? If you have one, you may be blessed enough not to even have a budget, and then in that case, I guess it would not matter. But that's how I work it out. So I'm going to go ahead and paint, and then it will dry, and then next you'll see me adding the transfer. I really enjoy them too. I think you will too. Give them a shot and start out with the inexpensive ones, because they can, especially the large ones, they can be pretty pricey. But I will say this, they can really, really turn a blah, blah, blah into a yay, yay, yay project. So I recommend them.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
Y'all, I gotta tell you, it's kind of funny actually, and then it's not in a way. But I bought some new art, and it's a 3-piece to go over the bed, and I really like the art. I brought it home, and for some reason, I've been telling you guys this, those of you that follow me, Orlando did say it was okay to take this angel down from over the bed over Christmas, but then I had to put her right back, and I'm okay. I love the angel. I do. But sometimes you just want to change, and he gets so upset if I want to move that angel, so I had to use 2 pieces of my art on either side of this angel and leave her up. Now I have an extra piece of art. I am thinking that because I am not allowed, and I'll use that word because it's really not that way, but he just loves her, so, you know, I'm compromising, that I'm going to paint the mat around her. Instead of that color, I'm going to paint it white, because when I bought her and had her framed professionally, the walls were a beige, and so that's that matte. So I'm going to paint that matte white, I think, so that, or find someplace else. But I have offered that, but he likes her over the bed. And you know what? If you got a praying man, you try to keep him happy, right? So I think my best bet would be to paint the matte. If any of you guys have other ideas, let me know in the comments below, because even though I've hung my new art, I'm not satisfied because the mattes are so different, and so are the color schemes. And I know it's a little thing, but when you're OCD-ish like I am, it bothers me. So let me know how you would handle that in the comments below. So now, guys, it's time for the fun part. I love making a bed, and for summer, I am going with a gray and white with hints of yellow in this room, because the room is cozy. The bed is the focal point, and everything else around it kind of goes with that. So this comforter set was actually a good deal. I got a king size comforter set with the pillow shams for $21 from Home Centric back in, I want to say it was last spring, and it's just been hanging around. I don't buy comforters very often anymore because of storage, but I couldn't pass this one up. As a matter of fact, I bought two. I bought one for the guest room bed as well, and I bought two kings, even though my guest room is a queen, because I like the way it hangs if it's a little oversized. But anyway, so it's going to be gray and white with hints of yellow, and so let's get to having some fun now. And if you're still with me, I appreciate it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have no idea how grateful I am. But leave me the word of the day, and today the word of the day is summer, in the comments below. And we're getting close to the end, so hang in there and you'll see the reveal very soon. I'm very pleased with how it turned out, and I hope you are as well.
All the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, I can hear it calling for you. I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself, 'cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, 'cause I can love you like no one else.
So friends, we are finally here at the reveal. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. It was a lot of work, but it was necessary work, and I'm glad I finally got it done. And I hope that you like the outcome. I love the gray and the white and the yellow, just the pops of yellow. I'm keeping it pretty neutral this year, and I guess the older I get, the less I need. Not as many knickknacks. I'm removing a lot of stuff. And it's just clean to me. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a big thumbs up and a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And if this is your first time here, why don't you hit that subscribe button below and the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. For those of you that come back every time I upload a video, I want to thank you. I am so appreciative. You have no idea. And if you stuck around until the end of the video, that really means a lot to me, and it helps my channel. And with that said, my friends, I am going to see you in my next video. And remember, to receive a blessing, it's always great to be a blessing. I'm going to leave you with hugs and blessings. Bye-bye.